No matter what, hey, no matter what's going on in my life, I'ma be a hustler, baby. I'ma be a hustler, baby. No matter what, hey, no matter what's wrong or right, I'ma be a hustler, baby. I'ma be a hustler,
Welcome to Crypto Vibes with your boy Lex Millie. The overall market is getting crushed. It's pretty red. It's I think a good opportunity for you to accumulate because after this crash, I believe October is going to be very fruitful. So this is a good time to position yourself. I'm going to dive into this. I'm going to look at Bitcoin. We're going to look at the chart, give you a price prediction, and we're going to get it in like we always do. If this is the first time that you come to my channel, please hit the like and subscribe button. Show your boy some love. Let YouTube know I'm here, and always stick around to the end of the video because I will throw in that Bitcoin price prediction. Let's get it in. So, looking at crypto bubbles, guys, and it looks pretty nasty. Okay, the overall market is getting tanked, destroyed. A lot of people say it has a lot to do with the FTX crashing the crypto market. Bitcoin is down 2.7% today. It's not doing pretty good. It's not doing too good. The high is about 25.9 and the low is about 25,000. I think we're headed way lower. This is going to be an opportunity for you guys, like I said in the intro, to really accumulate Bitcoin and stack up your chips, because at the end of the day, last September, we were at about 20K. And I'm going to show you this in the charts, very detailed. We were at about 20K, and it looks like we want to go revisit that level. And then I believe that that's a good time to buy. So looking at the overall market, it's not just Bitcoin. Everything is crashing. Ethereum is down 5.3%. BNB down 4.5%. XRP is down 7.5%. Dogecoin, Cardano 6%. Solana is getting crushed, down 9.1%. So you look at the overall market, look at Polkadot, Polygon, Litecoin, all down 9 to 8%. Shiba Inu's down 8%. This is a great buy for Shiba Inu, in my opinion. This is where I grabbed a lot, and I've made money there. So that's what it's looking like, guys. Let's look in the charts real quick. Let's just dive right into this. And we look at, right now I'm looking at the daily, but let's move back to the, let's see. Yeah, I like the daily. Let's leave the daily there, okay? But let's look at some very important things that are happening here, okay? First of all and foremost, we broke the major support level right there at about the 28,000. As soon as we fell under that, we destroyed the uptrend that we've had since January, okay? And I'm going to show you guys that real quick. What we're going to do is we're going to take off all these indicators, and we're going to just give you the rawness of this, okay? If you look, all right, that circle on the bottom there, that was January, okay? And since January, we've been going up, just steady up, and up, right? Which is great. But when we broke this level right here, that's fair game, y'all. That's fair game. We dropped below the uptrend. If you look, and let me clean all this out so you can see exactly where I'm at. If you look right here, okay, that green line of 20,000 is September of 2022. Last year, that's where we were, okay? And so according to a lot of people on YouTube, and I watch a lot of people to educate myself. I think it's important to educate yourself and know what's going on. And then that way I translate that to you guys so you guys can be educated as well. But if you look there, that arrow, that's September, and this is January, okay? So in September, we were down here. Okay. And so a lot of people are saying that's where we're going, 20,000, 21,000, somewhere in that range. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dissect this and get a little bit closer. Now that you got the big picture here, okay? Now that you got the big picture, let's go to the 1 hour, all right? And look at what the 1 hour is doing. And so we can really get into this, okay? If you look at the 1 hour and we put back our indications, okay, and you see clearly what we're doing there on the 1 hour chart, that chart is basically letting us know that we broke a key resistance level, okay? Or should I say support level? I'm sorry. The support level that we broke, that we've been holding for a long time, is at 25.3. We've hit that at least 3 times. And now finally on the 4th time that we went down there, we broke under it. It's continuing to look very bearish, okay? So to think that we're going to go flying right now, it's not the case. September is really, really ugly historically. And that's where we're headed. We're headed to those down levels, right? I think that we're going to start breaking through here, and then maybe even here. You can't see that, so I'm gonna fix the chart a little bit so you can see it. But you can see that there's some major levels there to the downside that we have to hit, which would put us somewhere around, in the short term, 23,000. I wouldn't be surprised if we start seeing a 24,000 Bitcoin, and we drop to those levels. But keep in mind that when we're looking at the daily, we have a long way to go, and we could possibly be headed to, let me bring that back up again and zoom in so you can see it better, okay? We are way off of the 28K range where we were moving up nicely since January. This is the second half of the year. Remember that in September, it's always bad. October, we get a little bit of a push. November, December is pretty much a sell-off, y'all. And people just trying to get out of the market before January comes. And then January, February, March, April, May, we start pumping. Those are our months to pump, okay? And don't forget that May is going to be the Bitcoin halving. So that's going to definitely start, hopefully, another bull run sometime in that time frame, okay? So with that being said, if you look at the daily like we're doing now, you will see that we are going to probably drop some major levels. And in my opinion, price prediction, okay, we're probably going to bust through this 24. We're probably going to bust through this 23 or 22.3, and we're going to probably hit this 22, 21 range very soon, okay? Maybe even this week. It's going to be nasty, all right? So look at this as a buying opportunity. The overall market is crashing. It wouldn't hurt to buy some Bitcoin if you had the money. If you got about 20K sitting around and you buy one Bitcoin at 20K, and it goes up to 30,000 by the end of the month, you made $10,000. I mean, just think about that, okay? And that's how people are getting rich at a higher level. They're spending a lot more money doing it, and I do it. I've listen. I got over 150K in crypto, all over the place, right? And I make my money. They call me Lex Millie for a reason. I'm trying to drive you in the right direction. Always buy the red candles. And you're always going to win. So wait for this to play out. I like red bloody days like this. This is my opportunity to get in. The whales are just liquidating everybody, and I'm going to find my entry. Okay. And I think you should too. So watch my channel so you can get guided correctly. It's your boy Lex Millie. You already know, giving you the crypto vibes, the Bitcoin videos, and the price predictions. Okay. Like and subscribe, share with your friends, help me get the 4,000 subs. If you're watching this, attack the like button, okay? Just hit it. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.